During the hearing, Timothy Newton understood all of his charges being brought to him by a judge as he pleaded guilty to 38 felony counts related to child porn. Now, if convicted, he could face up to 360 years in prison. Timothy Newton did plead guilty Tuesday as part of a plea agreement. With this agreement, Newton will have to register as a sex offender.
Well, we expected this was an agreement that we had negotiated, so it's something that we had anticipated and prepared both he and his family for. So it went according to what we had expected.
In our previous reporting, we learned through court documents Timothy Newton's home was searched last year after a complaint was received by the Chesapeake Police Department saying Newton was taking indecent liberties with a child in his care. Those details are too graphic for me to outline, but records reveal a detective who was in the courtroom Tuesday looked into this case, finding explicit images on his devices. Newton's wife and mother were present in the courtroom and were emotional, to say the least.
We've talked to them about what the process and the procedures would be, because I think it's important to relieve the anxiety, if you will, of things, for people to be aware of how the process is going to play out. So we've discussed all of those things and discussed what type of evidence we can present at the time of sentencing to mitigate the sentence that the court would impose upon him.
If convicted, the former Chesapeake police officer who resigned back in April of this year could face up to 360 years in prison. Also, as part of his agreement, Newton will have to undergo a psychosexual evaluation. Newton's sentencing date is January 12th. For now, in Chesapeake, I'm Kelsey Jones, News 3.